Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with not opening the settings, but making sure that you've got the internet connection. It is basically required, so your device will have a chance to actually check for the updates. So after making sure that you've got the Wi-Fi connection or you're using your mobile data, we can enter the settings. And then let's scroll down to the very bottom, I believe. Let me quickly check here. Yes, we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now we have to tap on this wireless update at the top. And all we have to do right now is to tap on check for updates. And as you can see right now, your device is obviously using the internet to check for the updates, and you've got two different scenarios which you can meet. This is the first one when your device's software is currently up to date, so you do not have to do anything. You can just go back and wait for the update. Or the second scenario when you can actually download the update. Your device will of course show you the name of it, what has been fixed, what has been added, basically the information about the update, and you will be able to tap on probably download or install, and your device will simply apply the available update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.